Are you tired of making simple English mistakes? Stick around for the ultimate AZ guide and learn how to avoid the most common errors and speak English like a pro. Hello, and welcome back to SAH English Insights. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, mastering English is more important than ever. English opens doors to countless opportunities in business, education, and travel. But to get there, you need confidence in your language skills. In today's video, we're tackling common English mistakes from A to Z, so you can speak with more confidence and clarity. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the easiest yet most common mistakes, a versus an. The rule is simple. Use a before words starting with a consonant sound, and use an before words starting with a vowel sound. It's not about the actual letter, but the sound that follows. For example, a cat starts with a consonant sound. An apple starts with a vowel sound. Remember, it's all about sound, not the letter. Be there, and there. Next up, there, and there. This is a common mistake even for native speakers. Here's a quick trick to remember. There shows possession. Example, this is their house. There refers to a place. Example, they are over there. There is a contraction of they are. Example, they're going to the park. It's all about context, so pay attention to how you're using these words. See affect versus effect. Affect and effect are two words that often trip up learners. Here's the difference. Affect is a verb meaning to influence something. Example, the weather can affect your mood. Effect is a noun meaning a result. Example, the effect of the new policy was immediate. Just remember, affect, action, verb, effect, end result, noun. Common mistakes, M to Z. M, misplaced modifiers. Now let's talk about misplaced modifiers. A modifier is a word or phrase that describes another word. When it's not in the right place, it can cause confusion. For example, running fast, the finish line was crossed by John. This sentence suggests that the finish line was running fast. A better version would be, running fast, John crossed the finish line. Make sure your modifiers are close to what they describe. N, me versus I, me versus I. This one confuses many learners. Here's a simple rule. Use I when you're the subject of the sentence. Example, I went to the store. Use me when you're the object of the sentence. Example, she called me. Just think who is doing the action. That's who gets I. Oh, your versus your is a mistake that happens all the time. Remember, your shows possession. Example, is that your book? Your is a contraction of you are. Example, you're going to love this video. It's easy to mix them up, but the trick is remembering that your is always short for you are. Practice and resources. Now that we've covered a few common mistakes, let's talk about improving your English skills. Daily practice is key. Take a few minutes each day to read, write, and speak. There are also tons of online resources you can use, from grammar websites to apps. And don't forget about the importance of conversation. Find a language partner to practice speaking with, and you'll improve faster than you think. Conclusion. So, what have you learned today? We covered some of the most common English mistakes and how to avoid them. With a little practice, you'll be speaking with more confidence and clarity in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment telling us what mistake you used to make and how you fixed it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching SAH English Insights, where we help you speak English like a pro. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving your English.